Hello everyone, I'm John and today I'm going to show you a demo of ViralSource. ViralSource is a viral traffic tool that collects leads from Facebook, sends Facebook notifications, and creates viral traffic from social media. It includes quick start, monetization, and long-term business plan trainings. With ViralSource, you can create traffic in your website through content lockers, requiring viewers to share or tag friends in their social media networks. For instance, you offer a freebie or coupon code, but before the viewers can download or use it, they have to share it first to unlock it, and that creates the traffic. Also, the app makes sure that your viewer did tag or shared your page before unlocking the freebie. You can then track your campaigns through reports and charts on your dashboard, making it easy for you to analyze which campaigns are effective and which are not. This tool has a built-in powerful editor to help you create nice-looking content lockers and auto-generates shortcodes which you can easily paste on your site's pages. Welcome to ViralSource. We are in the application's dashboard, which contains details for the number of our campaigns, total visitors, total leads. On the bottom, we have a graph of our visitors for a certain month, which we could filter by month and year. On the interface, on the left, we have Facebook app settings, my campaigns, send Facebook notifications, training resources. We have help desk or support, and then we have Usign integration. By the way, Usign is an online graphics editor. If you have an account at Usign, you can integrate it at ViralSource, which allows you to access your designs from Usign. Okay, this button here collapses the tab, allowing us for a wider view of our workspace. On the far right, on top, we have our username, and then we have this logout button. Okay, let's go to My Campaigns. Under My Campaigns, we have a list of existing content lockers or campaigns that we made, and each item has a set of actions such as analytics, preview, export leads, edit, copy, and delete. We also have a search box on the top right, and we could sort these items either by name or by the date that we created them. To create a new campaign or content locker, just click this button here. Okay. Now we are required to add these details. So I'm going to create a campaign or content locker for a graphics freebie. So let's say graphics campaign. Here, upload branding image. This is also called a logo. So let's choose the Usign logo here. And on our content locker, I will show you later, we have this back to site button. So we're going to define a URL for that. So here I'm going to type in the link for Usign's home. Okay, when all is set, let's click on next. This will take a while, so let's skip and go on the next part. Okay, so we're here now. ViralSource will require us to complete these steps to finish our content locker. So on the first step, we are going to design our content locker. On the left, we have our preview. We have our backgrounds on the bottom. Then we have design settings on the right, where we could adjust our text or button. Okay, we could choose from the default images provided by ViralSource, and we could also access our Usign designs. Here I have integrated my Usign, and I'm going to use one of my backgrounds or designs. Okay, you could also upload your own background through this button. Okay, and okay, let's start editing on the text. First, let's add a text above the button. Let's say, get your free graphics pack. Okay, and on the bottom text, let's say share to download. Okay, now let's edit the text and the button. First, let's change the color of the text. Okay, white. Family, that's also called font style or font. I'm going to choose Tahoma, and on style you could choose bold or normal. Choose bold, and then we could change the size. Let's make it bigger, and then we go to the color of the button text. Here it's white, so maybe let's change first the button color, something blue like that, and then let's change the color of the text on the button, something that's also blue but darker. Okay, now let's change the font of our button text, Arial block, and let's change the size of the button, the text, 32, and then we have this style here for the button. We have the cornered style, see that rounded corner here, and we could increase the radius 15, 20. So if we increase that, we'll also increase the radius of their corners. So I'm going to use corner 40 to give us this loop. Okay, now we're done with our content locker design. Let's go on to the next step. Okay, we have three options here for the actions required for our users to unlock the freebie, in our case, the freebie. Okay, we have three options: tag FB friends, share on social networks, and Facebook sign up. If you made an upgrade at ViralSource or purchase an upgrade, we have additional um, two actions here, uh, which is a combination of either share on social networks plus Facebook signups or tag Facebook friends plus Facebook signups. So it's a combination, and so I'll show you here. Okay, okay. In our case, let's choose share on social networks. Okay, then we get to select um, from the options of social media. Let's say we'll let the user choose from Google Plus, Pinterest, Facebook, and Twitter, and the minimum you could set that maybe just one, and title of the post, if it's shared, um, this is the title that's going to show up. So let's say new graphics pack, and the description of the post, let's say get this awesome graphics pack for free. Okay, then on our post or share, when sharing a post, we have this featured image. So if you don't have a featured image, you can leave this. It's optional, but for me, I have prepared an image for it. So this is my image. Just choose the file, click upload or open. Then we have this URL where you are going to embed the campaign. Okay, so we're going to define the URL or the link of our page, which we are going to place or copy the shortcode of our content locker. So this is also the same link that's going to show on our post when it's shared on a social media network. So here I'm going to type in usein.com vector graphics download. So click next. And then on step 3, we have this text editor. This is for our content locker. So when our user has successfully shared our post to unlock the freebie, then this is the content that will show on our content locker. So let's try. Thanks for sharing. Here's your freebie. Enjoy. Okay, that's the main text. Then we could add a link. Let's say download here. Okay, to add the link, just highlight the text, click this button, insert link, and place the download link. Okay, you could also provide an option if it's going to open via a new link or new tab or new window, and then if it's all set, click insert link. Then you could also edit. You could make it bold, maybe heading 2 bold here. And we could also change the color to green, like that. This one to gray. Okay, so this is done. We're ready. Just click finish. This will send us to a preview of the content locker that we just made, and from there we could um, copy the short codes or codes into our page, and then we could also set the size of the width here and the height of our content locker. Okay, for this case I'm going to use a 600 by 300 content locker. That's in pixels, and this is the code that you're going to copy into your page, in a WordPress page or HTML pages, or you could just simply click copy to clipboard. Okay, can we test this preview? Yes, we could test this preview. Just click the button here and we get this pop-up here. So this is our content locker, and it has an instruction for our users, so they have to share on one of the social network that's provided here. And we have a branding logo here, or logo. Just click Facebook. So okay, our user will decide maybe to share it on Facebook, so he or she is going to click this icon and he's directed to his Facebook, and we can see here the feature image that I have uploaded. Then we also see the title of the post we define, as well as the description and where it will link into. So if we click on post to Facebook, ViralSource will verify that the user has shared it. So we will get, or the user will go to the next step, which is to download the freebie. So he or she has just unlocked the content, and this is our message on step 3. If you could remember, thanks for sharing, here's your freebie, enjoy. And then we have this download here link we define, and our logo, and we have this back to website link, which I linked into Usign's home. So that's how ViralSource is working with the content locker. That's how we design. That's the process when our user shares, and how ViralSource verifies their actions. So thank you, and that's all.